What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use the Facebook Pixel Events Tracker for any type of funnel or website. This is going to work on anything, and Facebook made it super easy. Again, it's Braden from the Certified Funnel Builder, so let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the Facebook Pixel code installed in all pages of your site. We've got ours right here. If you don't know how to do that, I'll link another video in the description where we show you how to do that. So that's the very first thing. Then you're going to want to go to your events manager area, and you're going to want to go to the Pixel setup. So events manager here, data sources right there, and then you're going to get a page that looks something like this. Make sure you're on the Pixel ID that you want to be on. Now, Facebook made a super easy way to hook all this up, so that's what I'm going to show you guys today. First thing is go get the link for the site that you're going to be working on. So for us, it's this link right here. We're just going to copy that real quick. We're going to go over to Add Events, this area right here, this drop-down menu. And we're going to go from the Pixel. There's a bunch of different options. This is the one you want to use because it gives you the event setup tool. That's what we want to use. Go there. We will just enter this site, and it'll click Open Website. It'll take a second here to load us into the new site. Alrighty, so now we're loaded onto the new page. You're going to see that Facebook's event tracker tool has popped up. This is what you want to see. It makes it so easy. Watch this. You're going to go here. Make sure that the button you're wanting to track or whatever action you're wanting to track is visible on the screen. Then you're going to click Track New Button, and look at that. It highlights this button. We just click on that, and then all we have to do is assign it an event. So for this one, let's just call them a lead. We're just going to call them a lead when they do that, and we're going to, not include the value because it's really not important to me at this point. So then we're going to click Confirm, and look at that. One of them is already added. And now you just go do that for every single button on your page. Here, I'll show you again. Track New Button. Look, it highlights that button. Bam. Choose an event. And they got so many different options. So it's either like lead for this one, purchase for this, contact, anything that you really want it to be. So we'll use lead for this one, and then we don't include value and confirm. It's really that easy, guys. You do that on every page, so then you go to the thank you page and see what happens on there. Like this, if you go to our success stories page, you can put in the event codes for buttons on here. It's really that easy. And then the final thing you've got to do is back on this page, find this tool again, and you'll click Finish Setup, and then you'll just click Finish. And then you just skip that. They're asking if it was helpful. But it was really helpful, if I'm going to be honest, you guys. So that's really how easy it is, and your events will start auto-populating in the event manager over here. You can see right now, lead already coming in. I hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments. This is just too easy.